Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can get logged in into your Amazon credit card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First of all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.amazon.com. To get access to your Amazon credit card, you need to get logged in into your Amazon account. Now to get logged in into your account, simply tap on the accounts and list and tap on the sign in option. Then simply type in your email address or your registered mobile phone number. Once you do this, all you need to do is simply tap on the continue button, and once you press on the continue button, you will get logged in into your Amazon credit card. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.